Today we are going to talk about one of the most vital fluids in our body, blood. Blood is not just a transport medium, it is literally the fluid of life. It makes up about 7 to 8% of body weight, and an average adult has 5 to 6 liters of blood. Let's understand step by step what blood is composed of and what role each part plays.
Blood is a special connective tissue that performs transport, regulation, and protection. It has two main components: plasma, which is 55% of blood, and formed elements, which is 45% of blood. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood. It makes up about 55% of total blood volume. Plasma is about 90 to 92% water. The rest consists of proteins, salts, nutrients, and waste products. Water, 90 to 92%, acts as a solvent and medium of transport. Plasma proteins, 7 to 8%. Albumin maintains osmotic pressure. Globulins provide immunity, antibodies. Fibrinogen, essential for blood clotting. Mineral salts, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, bicarbonate. Nutrients, glucose, amino acids, lipids, vitamins. Waste products, urea, uric acid, creatinine. Gases, dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transports nutrients and gases. Removes waste products. Maintains pH and osmotic balance. Carries hormones throughout the body. Provides clotting factors. Example: during dehydration, plasma volume decreases, making the blood thicker. RBCs are the most abundant blood cells. In males, about 5 to 5.5 million per mm cube. In females, 4.5 to 5 million per mm cube. Lifespan around 120 days. Shape biconcave disc, which increases surface area for gas exchange. In mammals, RBCs are non-nucleated, more space for hemoglobin. Iron-containing protein present inside RBCs. Each RBC contains about 80 million hemoglobin molecules. Carries oxygen from lungs to tissues. Transport oxygen from lungs to tissues. Carry carbon dioxide from tissues back to lungs. Give red color to blood. Help maintain acid-base balance. At high altitudes, the body produces more RBCs to cope with low oxygen levels. WBCs form less than 1% of blood volume. Count about 6,000 to 8,000 per mm cube. Their main function is defense and immunity. WBCs are nucleated. Lifespan ranges from a few hours to several days. Neutrophils, 60 to 65%. Phagocytosis, engulfing bacteria. Eosinophils, 2 to 3%, fight parasitic infections, help in allergy response. Basophils, less than 1%, release histamine and heparin, involved in allergic reactions. Lymphocytes, 20 to 25%. Type of lymphocytes. B lymphocytes produce antibodies. T lymphocytes provide cell-mediated immunity. Monocytes, 6 to 8%, the largest WBCs, transform into macrophages and eat pathogens. Defend against bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Provide long-term immunity. Remove dead or damaged cells. Example: during viral infections, lymphocyte count usually increases. Platelet count about 1.5 to 3.5 lakh per mm cube. Lifespan 7 to 10 days. Produced in bone marrow. Platelets are actually cell fragments, not complete cells. Play a central role in blood clotting, coagulation. Help in wound healing. Prevent excessive blood loss. Example: in diseases like dengue, platelet count drops drastically, leading to bleeding problems. Plasma liquid medium that transports nutrients, hormones, and waste. RBC, oxygen carriers. WBC, protectors of the body. Platelets, blood clotting agents. That's all about the composition of blood. Plasma, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets work together to keep us alive and healthy.